Hi guys, it's your girl Chloe. I have an unboxing video for you guys. Actually, my friend from the States, Julie, sent me all this makeup. I opened a few of them and just used it already because I've been dying to get my hands on some of them, but I just wanted to unbox everything with you guys, so I waited until now and I'm just gonna select some of these things and apply it onto my face as well. I just want to shout out to my best friend Julie. We've been friends since we were like 13. We grew up together in the States. We were like the only Korean girls in school for like a really long time. She really helped me take off with my life in the States, so yeah, I'm just so indebted to her. She's an awesome person and we've been apart for 6 years now. She's still in Seattle and I'm here in Korea. I just wish I could go to the States just for the purpose of visiting her next time. Yeah, let's get started! Okay, so one of these foundations was also in the packaging, and this is the Fitme Dewy and Smooth Foundation in 110 Porcelain. Oh. Yeah, so I had 120 in Classic Ivory, but it was quite dark for my skin, so she sent me this one. So sometimes I mix them together, sometimes I just use the one she sent me. So today I'm just gonna use the one she sent me. Alright, so my eyebrows are done. Let's look at the palettes first. Two eyeshadow palettes. One is the Urban Decay Naked Smoky palette, and the other one is MakeupForever Lustrous Shadow Palette. So I'm gonna open up both of them. Let's start with the Naked Smoky. I know that they discontinued it. Alright, so it's in a luxurious packaging like this. Love. It comes with a nice brush as well. Let me test out the brush first. Let's see. So one is like a short, like a bullet brush, and one is a blending brush. Just look at all the colors. They're all like very smoky colors. Let's look at MakeupForever's Lustrous Shadow Palette. Okay, that's really hard to get out. Oh, and it comes off like a tin case like this. And oh my goodness, let me remove this and show you guys. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It has like black shadow, has like violet, purple, has a lot of like different colors, and I love that about MakeupForever because you can really play with them. Okay, let's start with MakeupForever. I'm gonna first go in with this color, this golden color. I like that. Ooh, it's very pigmented. I see some fallouts, but that means it's also very pigmented. So I really like that. Oh my goodness, do you guys see that? Oh my gosh. It is so pigmented, guys. It's not even funny. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, is this for real? Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. I'm gonna use the Smoky palette to go into the outer corners. I think since this is so shimmery, I'm gonna go with like a matte color, which is this one. It's called Whiskey, and I'm gonna use their brush that came with. I'm gonna use the bullet one. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna put it into the outer corner. Put this shimmery shadow. It's called High. I'm gonna put that into the inner corners of my eye and on my aegis area. It's a very cool toned palette, I would say, because even this pearl, like even this glitter is very cool type of glitter, or cool type of shimmer. now we can go over to highlighter. The first one I already opened. It's the Wet n Wild Megaglow Highlighting Palette, Lustrous, and has these 4 colors. Oh my gosh, so pretty, aren't they? Let me remove this plastic. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Look at that. Has prints. I don't really use green. I just feel like it doesn't suit my tone, but I use these a lot, and then this in the inner corners of my eyes. Really like them so far, but I haven't opened the other 2, so let's look into that. Okay, the first one is Candleglow Luminizing Palette from Laura Mercier. Okay, let's see. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh my gosh, is this eyeshadow as well? Okay, yeah, eye color and face powder. Okay, so comes with eye colors like these on top 4. Those are the eye colors. This is the face highlighter. So I feel like these eyeshadows are also very shimmery, glittery. Maybe I'll try it onto my brows, like my brow bones. I'm gonna try this color. It's called Light. Okay, I see a lot of fallout. Whenever I see a fallout, I should be mad, but I'm really happy because that means it has pigmentation. I'm not mad at it. It gives a pretty good glow to my brows. Let's look at the last palette before we make the decision. It is the BECCA, and you guys know how much I love BECCA, so I don't know. That's why I've been waiting for this moment to open this guy up. Oh. Isn't that so pretty? It says, oh, Eyelight palette. So this is actually an eyeshadow palette. Oh. Okay, but it doesn't matter, guys. I'm pretty sure I can use some of these colors as well. Oh my gosh, I just love how big the mirror is. Oh my gosh. And then you have like these colors. They're so pretty. And I feel like I could definitely highlight with these guys. So with that said, I'm gonna take wet shimmer in the middle. I'm gonna try to highlight with that. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You guys see it too, right? Oh my gosh! Look at my freaking nose. Like, what the heck? How is that possible? This is why I love BECCA so much. Like, what the heck? It's so pretty. So pretty. I'm gonna just try to use the Laura Mercier on my cheeks. I'm gonna take this color in Radiance. It's the more peachy color. And I see a lot of fallout. Just gonna... Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It is kind of like blush and highlighter at one. Gonna swirl it around. Yeah, see that? It has a little bit of color to it. I totally like it. I'm not mad at it at all. So to top it off, I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild. Also, I'm just gonna use the really shiny one here because I just used the peach color on my cheeks. Okay, I'm just gonna... Ooh, snap. See what I mean by they're stepping up their game, guys? Oh my gosh. They are seriously stepping it up. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, so my lips are just lined. She did send me a whole bunch of red lipsticks. She knows I love red lipsticks, so that's why she sent it to me. I'm just gonna show you a bit of a swatch. I already opened this one. It's a Sephora's Lipstory's Popsicle Lips in 28. So it's like this color. It's very honest red. I feel like creamy lipsticks are gonna be really in 2018. So this is the first one. Next one is also from Sephora. It is the Sephora Flash Jumbo Lip Pencil in number 13, Red in a Flash. Okay, Oh my gosh, I love this, and it's almost like a lip balm. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's the thing I don't like about very lip balmy stuff. This is the first time I'm opening this, and that just happened. Oh my gosh. It's really red, but it's very glossy if you guys look at that. The next one I have is another red lip. It's called Maybelline Vivid Matte Liquid in number 35 Rebel Red. This one is like very warm tone, almost like orange red. So I really like that. That is one of my favorite shades. The last one is from, I think it's Maybelline. Okay, it says Matte Color Sensational Matte Lipstick in number 687 All Fired Up. I feel like it's more like almost like bubblegum pink. Just gonna fill in my lips with this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing. If you guys want me to try any of these in my future tutorial, please drop down some love in the comment box below. Let me know which one you would want me to use in my next tutorial or in my next video. Also, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to click the like button and the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!